It's your girl Nichole Washington back with another DIY. This time we're going to bleach some denim. First I'm going to put a drawstring in because these pants are a little big, so I'm pinning where I'm going to sew at. And then I'm going to go ahead and sew. But I made a little bit of a mistake. I realized that I should have put the drawstring in first and then sewn while the drawstring was in there because it's hard to pull this string through with denim. Now I'm gonna paint with bleach here. I'm painting. It takes a while to show up. So here is the effect afterwards. I love this style. It just looks so raw. Now you can see the drawstring, so the pants fit perfect like that. I painted my little symbols everywhere. That's it. Like, subscribe. I'll see you next time with another dope DIY. Peace.